Today we'll take a look at the VEVOR socket set. So we got our instructions, and it gives us a breakdown of all different models. It comes with a zip tie to keep everything in place. And there it is. So it comes with a 3/8 ratchet that is a push style. Pretty good feeling ratchet to it that is reversible. There's a nice rounded handle on there. I always appreciate that, so it's not going to be damaging your fingers. You got two extensions. That is a 6-inch and a 3-inch. We also have an adapter. So if we want to, we can use one of these sockets with an impact driver. We have a 1/2-inch to 3/8 adapter. So if we want to use one of these sockets with a 1/2-inch drive, we can do that. And we have a swivel adapter. So in the event that you need to bend that guy around a corner, we'll have this guy to make that happen. For our sockets, these are all 6-point socket. They are all drilled out on the corner, so it's going to be good for off-corner loading. They have a fairly deep hex, comes down to about there. So if you want to get a full bite onto longer nuts or bolts, we can do that. And we can see that they're labeled with nice two-tone coloring on there. They do all have an oil coating on there, so you don't have to worry about corrosion. Everything over here is metric. We got our deep well as well as our normal sockets. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So no skips there between a 6mm and a 24mm. Looks like we got the exact same setup for our regular sockets. Then for our standard sockets, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 15/16, and 1-inch. So no skips there all the way down to the 16ths, from the 5/16 up to the 1-inch. We also have our deep well as well as our shallow sockets there. So that is a very complete set of impact rated sockets. So if you want to throw these guys on an impact, you can use these with that. Very nice. Got a pretty smooth action on it. The head fits no problem. Not have any problems with it jamming up or anything like that. Feels like a good fit on that bolt head. Yeah, that's a nice comfortable use set. Plus just having all those different sockets in both inches and metric makes that super usable. With the fact that I can just take this whole thing right out to the work site, I'll have sockets for whatever I'm running into. That is a very handy kit.